Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a quick and easy DIY. It's called the Teacher Toolbox. I saw this idea on Pinterest and I said I really needed to use this in my classroom to help me become organized and so I can stay on track throughout this school year. For this DIY, you will need a few items. Some of those include this 22 storage bin. I got this bin from Ace. Of course, you probably can find one a lot cheaper on Amazon or a different brand on Amazon, but I wanted one immediately, so I just went to my local Ace Hardware and was able to buy it today. I think it was only like $19.99. Of course, you're gonna need some double-sided tape, some scissors, and these are the labels that I printed from Pinterest. I cannot remember exactly which page I went to, but if you just go on there and say Teacher Toolbox free labels, tons will pop up. Just pick whichever template you think looks best for you and print them out. And I would recommend go ahead and making them, getting them laminated just to make them a little bit more durable and reusable. Okay, we're gonna now take the labels and we're going to cut each individual label out. Now that you're finished with cutting out all the labels, we're gonna go ahead and just take the plastic off of the storage bin. Let me make like a little hole with the scissors. It's like unwrapping a gift at Christmas. We're going to take our double-sided tape . Oh, wait a minute. Right, one thing that I did not mention when we first started was a trash bag, because I did not expect that we'll be needing one, but you definitely need to get a trash to throw away all of your little strays and all your little clips that you've made. You don't want to leave trash on the floor, and we want to keep our spots tidy and neat. Once it's all done, you will have this wonderful toolbox. Here you go. All of your little knickknacks and odds and ends that you have in the classroom will be nicely stored in a safe container, so it's no question on what you need or where you're going to get it. It's already there and organized. So I hope that this was helpful. I hope that you're going to be able to use this within your classroom, or maybe you can use this as an idea to help you stay organized this school year. If you know or have any other suggestions on how I can be organized or how other teachers can be organized, please drop it in the comments section below. And if you decide to make your own toolbox, share with me as well in the comments section. All right, thanks. Bye.